Hey everybody, this is Melvin with TechRunning 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you a quick little case lineup for your Galaxy Z Flip 3. And of course, for demonstration purposes, we have our Galaxy Z Flip 3, and it's in the black color. And if you're interested, I'm running some live wallpaper on my Flip 3, and the live wallpaper is called Shader Live, and the particular wallpaper itself is called Plexus Particle. Thought it was pretty neat. As you can see, it's moving because it is live, but it has some different little designs that are changing colors as it goes. But nevertheless, let's get to the case lineup. So we have 5 different cases here. We have this one here, which is kind of a burgundy. We have this one, which is a coral color. Here is like a shiny metallic red. Here is supposed to be kind of a tan or yellow leather. And here we have a matte red. Now, if you're interested in these cases, we will leave links for them down in the description area. You can pick them up off of Amazon. And the range of prices of these cases range from $10 to $39. So let's check them out real quick and see what they look like. We're going to go with the burgundy one here first. And we're going to take the top part of the case. Let me set that down. This got some styrofoam in it. Take the styrofoam out real quick. So we're going to take the pieces, and both of them are 2-piece case. And so they snap on really easy here. And so that's the top part there. And the bottom part. Looks pretty nice. That nice leather. And it does feel like leather. I don't know if it's real leather, but they call it leather. Let's take our little cloth here and wipe it off. And looks pretty good. It doesn't have any protection on the hinge, but nevertheless, it looks nice. So this is what it looks like closed up, and what it looks like open. Of course, it has all the cutouts for you, for your speaker grill, for your USB-C port, and your mics there. And of course, your button cutouts here for your fingerprint scanner, for your volume up and down. The mic right there, and nothing on the left hand side. And so this is a pretty good looking case. Like I said, this is a maroon leather, and let's check it out and see if it works on our wireless charger. So we're going to set it on the charger. If the light comes on, it's working. Excuse me. And so as you can see, the light came on in front there, and it came on the display there, which is showing the time. And so that is the maroon leather case. So let's take that off real quick. And they easily pop on and pop off. And take that bottom piece off here. Set it back down. And we're going to grab this other here, which is the coral color. And this is the original Samsung case. As you can see, the Samsung branding there has a little real key ring area here. And so we're going to pop it on real quick. That's the top piece. Popping that on. And you got your bottom piece. And we're popping that on. So we open it up. That's what it looks like so. Wipe it off real quick again. No real hinge protection on it. Hinge is open. Well, it does have a little piece there. And what this ring is for, it kind of you can use it like so, to where you can hold on to the phone a little better. So it's like this, where you can close the phone, open it up, and you can hold on to it a little easier. Now, this material, like I said, the color is coral, but the material there is kind of it is silicone. It's a silicone case, so it feels real good in the hands. Of course, you got your cutouts here. It's got a cutout here for the fingerprint scanner. It doesn't have the cutout here for your volume. And at the bottom, a cutout for your speaker grill, for your USB-C port, and for your mics. And of course, at the top here, mics again. Nothing on that side. So this is a pretty nice case. Hit that fingerprint scanner. Got the phone back on. Closes up and opens and closes easily. And we're going to set that on our wireless charger. Like I said, if it comes on, it wirelessly charge. And there we go. think it does it either way. You set it on there, or maybe just, yeah, either way. And so as you can see, the light came on the front and the display on the top. And so this is our Samsung case. And we did pick this up off of Amazon, even though it's Samsung, or you can get it straight from Samsung. So we're gonna pop the case off real quick, the top and the bottom. And we're gonna set it back down here. Get those all straight again. And the next case we have here is our red. It's a red shiny case. It's a kind of a metallic red. We're gonna pop that on there. And it does have a hinge protection there. So that's what it looks like open. And this is a fingerprint magnet. So get your microfiber claw, hit it. But it looks good when it is polished. Wipe the front there. Cut it on, show you what it looks like. And pretty nice looking case. And so you got your cutout here for your display, for your flash. Of course, nothing on this left-hand side. The bottom, you got your mic, USB-C port, and your speaker grill. And over here, got a cutout for your fingerprint scanner. No cutout here, but you do have a raised button there for your volume. And it has a kind of a pretty good lip on it too, So in case, your phone falls flat, it won't hit the screen right off. And so this is what it looks like closed. And like I said, that's pretty nice looking. Got the hinge protection there. Open and close it. We're gonna set it on our wireless charger. Of course, it wirelessly charges. And looks pretty good. Pretty good. It's a nice looking one, and it's kind of heavy duty. Has a little weight to it, a little thickness to it. So we're gonna pull it off real quick and set it back down. And these cases easily come on and off. Now this one I was playing with earlier, and it has little sticker pieces here, and I removed the plastic so it sticks down on your phone, so it has a better grip to stay on the phone. So the next one here is another leather case, and this is kind of a yellow tan case. It's real nice too. It's not as soft a leather as that burgundy one, but it gives you a different look. It has the stitching that you can see, and it's a pretty nice case. Gives you a different look to it, and it has a little raised part, not as much as the red metallic case. This is what it looks like closed. You open it up. Like I said, this is like a yellow and leather. And let's check it out to see how it does on a wireless charger. Drop it on a wireless charger. Drop it on a wireless charger, and it does work. So I guess you gotta have it's got a sweet spot there. And so of course, again, if you look at it, you have your cutouts here. We do have cutout for both the volume and the fingerprint scanner, for the mic up top, and at the bottom your speaker grill, USB-C port, and your mics. So it's a pretty nice little case. Like we said, it is leather. And so we're gonna pop those pieces off, the two pieces, and set them there. And our last and final case is kind of a matte red two-piece case, of course. Easily snaps on. Now this is probably one of the thinner of the 5. Snaps on, it looks pretty nice itself. No hinge protection. Closes nicely. As you can see, you have your cutouts. You can easily see those since it's red. Got the cutouts for your volume up and down, fingerprint scanner. At the bottom, you got the whole piece is kind of cut out all the way across. So it's open to the speaker grill, USB port, and the mics. And of course, no buttons on the side, and I got the cutout for the display. So we go close it up, set it on there too to see if the wireless charge works, and it does. And again, this is the matte red. And again, you can get all of these cases on Amazon, and we will leave links for you down in the description area. So that's about it for our video for today. Quick case lineup for your Galaxy Z Flip 3. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this with your friends and family. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with TechRunning 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.